Hello there, my friends. So this is going to be the beginning of a beautiful friendship. I just picked up this jet ski, this Yamaha with a broken steering, no title. So I'm going to be using this as my platform for my new boat. So the beginning of my new journey. Here we go. Well, I'm starting the teardown here, so I thought I'd get some video before it all explodes into more and more pieces. But anyway, just wanted to check in here with you and show you exactly what I'm doing. Starting out with this 2004 Yamaha Wave Runner, and I'm going to use this here for the power system for our new jet boat. This is what I got stripped down for today. And so, making a little bit of progress. More to go.